Hello folks, welcome back to another video. I'd say beautiful morning here in Nova Scotia, but it's not. It's actually an absolutely beautiful evening. It's around 6:30 right now, and I'm heading down, I don't know, an hour and a half drive or something to pick up the new machine with the new mulcher, take it to another site tomorrow morning for one of my guys to run. Because guys with their proper licenses are limited around here right now, and it's been like that for a little while, but I've got a ton of other stuff I got to do tomorrow, rest of the week. So I'm literally just, you know, trucking machines around. So just call me a trucker. I'm just a hauler. But anyway, we're hooked up to the Ram again. John has the 450, but it's soon time to get my 450 back. I like this truck a lot, but that 450 is obviously a very nice, very comfortable truck. The one downfall with this truck and you know, Rams in general is the small little fuel tanks that these guys got on them. I damn near ran out of fuel coming home last night around 10 o'clock at night. And I need to go fill up right now. I don't want to let the truck run too long because I'm pretty sure it's pretty close to empty. But I've got two 20-gallon jugs, 20-liter jugs on the back. I'm going to fill those up when I fill the truck up because I'm going down a long ways again tonight. It's going to be a late night getting back. But I guess you just kind of got to do what you got to do to keep things moving forward. Man, this little thing is so maneuverable for getting in these roads. You know, like this turn getting into this cell tower road, that's a really skinny, narrow road out there. And the truck was starting to go down, like in the front end a little bit, in towards the ditch. My 450, my 550, way longer. It probably would not have made that turn, or would have taken some messing around with. This little thing, just right in she goes. But here's another site done. Great job again on this one. Brady sort of getting some seat time, running the mulcher. He got to run the 080, now he got to run the new 80. And I haven't really spoken to him yet to see what he thinks of either one, which one he prefers, but both the ones he's using so far, he's doing a good job with, and that is what I care about. Takes a little bit longer. Just make sure that the product in the end is what the customer wants and what the customer expects. And I gotta say, so far he's doing pretty darn good. This looks really good. Really good. That scared me. All right, get this thing loaded on the trailer, and then we've got, oh geez, another hour and 15-minute drive down to the next site. And then you know, you turn around and head on back with just the trailer. But chain her down, get her going. I should have brought a jacket. It's actually getting pretty chilly out. All right, she is loaded on, ready to roll. I just checked the maps and we've got an hour to the next drive, and then be about a two hour 15-minute drive or so back, I'd say, back home with the truck and trailer. I had the truck off with the emergency brake on when I loaded the machine on, and you can see the truck squat. And then I sat inside, well, I went inside of it, turned the key, and I got underneath here and looked, and without any noise or nothing at all, it just went, it just raised right up. That's pretty cool from the factory. Like I said, it does ride pretty rough, but there's the airbags right there, and they popped right up. I'm definitely gonna change the diff fluid in this thing, because who knows when it's been done. It's hard to say. Give some stuff underneath here to spray, but it's a pretty clean rig underneath there. But all right, head on out of here, lock the gate and way out, and just continue our journey. We've got the trailer brakes turned back up. We're about to hit the road, turning right out of here, and then I think it's pretty much immediate right, and then straight back out to the 103, and then we're making our way back down towards Yarmouth. Pretty much exactly where we were yesterday, but we didn't get approval to do the job in time, so I had to haul out of there. And now we're hauling right back in. So a little more run around than what a person would want. Oh no, I guess we're staying on this road. This takes us right out. Yeah, a little more hauling around than what a person would prefer, but you know, it is what it is. In the end, I would have had to leave the machine there, and then if he was done that site, you know, some point in time today, I would have had to drive all the way down and then drop it off at this one. A little more hauling the machine instead of hauling just the empty trailer, but pretty much the same distance all the way around. But yeah, going into that road back there, that little narrow road, and backing the trailer into the cell tower site, that was slick with this little truck and this trailer. With my Diamond C and my 450, an extra 5 feet of trailer and the extra probably 6 feet or more of truck, that would have been that would have been pretty tight, I can tell you that. Arrived, 9:45. All right, so what do we got? Duck, duck, duck. Don't want to duck with my Diamond C. I gotta duck with this trailer though. So we gotta get this thing unloaded and get into here. Snap the lights on this thing to give myself some vision, and then I got to get turned around in here. So again, I'll use my lights on the excavator. I'll set the excavator in here somewhere, and then I'll get this thing jackknifed around this turn and hopefully get out of here without getting stuck. So I'm not driving the truck in there anywhere. Not like I can get turned around anyway. You guys can't see, but she's pretty grown in. First things first. Let's get this thing off. All right, see if we can get this thing off. Get the truck back in here. Tell you what, the lights on this thing, this machine, really good. I'm definitely digging this trailer so far. It definitely likes the rubber track machine more than my 95, that's for sure. 95 put a couple grooves in the ramps. That's the only thing I'm a little concerned about is the ramps are pretty light duty, it looks like. As you can see, it needs to be done. Pretty grown in. Should be good enough. Power line, nope, we're good. Right about here, I guess. All right. These jacks up, drop legs. These things make make it really nice for not being too much stress on the back of the trailer. It's hard to see some of this stuff at nighttime. Diamond C, I just push a button. I normally would say the Diamond C, they were like, yeah, but that came with a cost, but like I said in my video, I paid more for this than I paid for my Diamond C. That's just how crazy things have gone. But it's a nice trailer. Okay, let's see what we can make happen here. This is hard enough to do in the daytime, let alone at nighttime. Alright. For some reason I like both my windows down, even though it doesn't really make a difference right now. Turn my trailer brakes down. Okay, let's see here. Worst thing is you can't see where the gate is because it's so freaking grown in. I know I got lots of room on this side. I don't know how much room I got here in the ditch. Okay. Now, take this nice and wide this way now and avoid dropping the trailer in the ditch. And I think we'll have it. Stick nice and tight over here to the shoulder on the truck. Trailer's looking good. Oh, buddy. First crack. First shot. Gotta like it. Gotta like this little truck. Now watch me ditch it now, backing up. Well, okay. I'll take that. Take my cell phone with me so I can see the lock on the way out. Well, to say that went as good as what it could is absolutely the case. So now I'll go put this transformer here up next to the tower. Out of sight, out of mind, eh? I should just stay in mulch. The lights as good as they are. I honestly would. Now she's dark. Jump in the bushes here. Locked up. Oh, I didn't drop the blade. Oh well, I'm not going back in there. All right, guys. Lock the gate. Jump in the little Buddy Cummins. Get on the road back to the house. I think it is roughly about 2 hours, I think. Well, I just looked and it says 1 hour and 42 minutes to home. So should make it home by 12. Hey, not bad. All right, guys, well, we are here. I am here. I'm not exactly where I want to be parked, but it's gonna have to do for the night. Just can't see anything back here at all. It'd be something nice if these things had a nice set of backup lights on them. You know, like maybe a backup light instead of, well, let's just put a big, nice, bright backup light right here. As soon as you flick your reverse lights on, you got a trailer that's got reverse lights. But anyway, that's gonna do it for tonight. I'm out of the driveway, out of the way. Tomorrow morning, I'll reposition it to where I want to be. But that's gonna do it. So we made it. I'm home. I'm gonna walk up and I'm going to go to bed and I guess see what tomorrow brings. But anyway, folks, until next time, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you then. Bye.